Hello guys, good afternoon and happy Monday to everyone. And today,
And Mama's going to teach me Tagalog words.
yes, today I'm gonna teach Isabella a few Tagalog words. Actually, she doesn't speak Tagalog, or even she doesn't speak her dad's language. So basically, she only speaks in English.
And also Arabic, but I only speak Arabic this
Just little bit. Okay, so now Isabella, I have to teach her some few Tagalog words, and then we will translate in English.
And I think that was going to tell me his language.
Yes, once in a while her dad will teach her also a few words, but you know, if it's not if we are not asking her every day, then she will totally forget about it. But she could sing one Indian song. What is that, Bella? That Gonzalez?
Yeah.
No, but she could sing an Indian song. One Indian song she could able to sing.
Yeah.
And also one national anthem, yeah?
Yeah.
Indian national anthem she could able to sing. First, of course.
And UAE national anthem and Indian national
Yeah,
anthem.
because of course every day in their class they always sing this song. So in words I will teach Isabella is you have to say ako ay maganda.
Ako ay maganda.
This means ako ay maganda means I am beautiful.
Yeah.
Yes. Second is ako ay mabait.
Okay, mabait.
Ako
Ako
ay mabait.
ay mabait.
Means I am kind.
Yeah.
In English, I am kind. Third is mahal kita.
Mahal ika. I can't say it right because I actually don't know understand this language.
Say mahal kita.
Mahal tita.
Mahal kita.
Mahal tita.
That means I love you.
Yeah.
This one, kumusta? Kumusta? Ako si Isabella. Say, kumusta?
Kumusta?
Ako si Isabella.
Ako si Isabella.
Again, kumusta?
Kumusta?
Then, ako
Ako
si.
si Isabella.
Say again, kumusta?
Kumusta?
Ako?
Ako si Isabella.
Yes, that means hello. I am Isabella. Okay.
I already know that.
And you say, paalam kaibigan.
Palaika.
Say, paalam kaibigan.
Balapa.
Say,
I only know palampa.
say paalam.
Palalam.
Paalam.
Palalam.
Again. Just come here.
Awi.
Say paalam.
Palalam.
Paalam kaibigan.
Palam kaibigan.
That means goodbye, my friend. Okay? This one. Gusto kitang maging kaibigan.
Gusto
kitang
kitan
maging
maging
kaibigan.
kaibigan.
Gusto kitang maging kaibigan. Okay.
Gustong
Kita
kata
maging
maging
kaibigan.
kaibigan.
That means in English, I want you to be my friend. Yes. And and this one. Pritong manok ang paborito kong ulam. Again, pritong
Pritong
manok
manok
ang paborito
apatorito
kong
kung
ulam.
olam.
Manok, ay pritong manok
Pinokanok
ang
ang
paborito kong paborito kong sige,
kagon
ulam.
ulam.
So that means fried chicken is my favorite dish. Okay? Say, Mag-ingat ka, kaibigan.
May.
Mag.
Mag.
Ingat.
Inak.
Ingat!
Inak. Inak.
Again, mag-ingat
Inak.
ka, kaibigan.
Kanapanida. I don't know what to
Say,
say.
mag-ingat ka, kaibigan.
Kamatidi dabayan.
Say, mag-ingat ka, kaibigan. Mag-ingat ka, kaibigan.
Maning.
Mag-ingat
Maning na.
ka,
Ka.
kaibigan.
Kabinan.
Mag-ingat ka, kaibigan.
Mag.
Mag-ingat
Inak.
ka,
Ka.
kaibigan.
Kabigan.
Mag-ingat ka, kaibigan.
Maning. Kabayiban. I don't know.
Okay, in English, you say, you take good care, my friend. Okay, how about this? Magandang gabi.
Magandang tabi.
Magandang gabi.
Magandang gabi.
That means good evening.
Good evening.
Yes. Magandang hapon.
Magandang hapon.
Magandang hapon.
Magandang hapon.
That means good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Magandang umaga.
Magandang umaga.
Magandang umaga.
Magandang umaga.
That means good morning. That means good morning. Gusto ko uminom ng tubig. Gusto ko
Gusto ko
uminom
uminom
ng
ng
tubig.
tubig.
Gusto kong uminom ng tubig. Gusto kong
Gusto kong
uminom
uminom
ng
ng
tubig.
tubig.
Means in English, I want to drink water.
Yeah.
Yes, tubig means water.
Last,
Gusto ko maglaro sa labas. Say, gusto
gusto
ko
ko
maglaro,
maglaro
maglaro sa labas.
sa labas.
Gusto ko
Gusto ko
maglaro
maglaro
sa labas.
sa labas.
Gusto ko maglaro sa labas.
Gusto mo sa labas.
That means I want to play outside in English. The next,
Next. Wala.
gusto ko kumain.
Gusto ko mahalin.
What is malalim? Again. Gusto kong kumain.
Gusto ko kong mahalin.
Kumain.
Kumain.
Gusto kong
Gusto kong
kumain.
kumain.
Gusto kong kumain.
Gusto kong
Kumain.
kumain.
Means I want to eat. Okay, in English. Gusto kong matulog.
Gusto kong malog. I really don't understand, guys. So don't square me with this.
Okay, gusto kong matulog.
Gusto kong malog.
Matulog.
Matulog.
Gusto kong matulog.
Gusto kong malog.
Okay, so that means I want to sleep.
Yeah.
Okay. Mabuhay ang Pilipinas.
I don't know. So please don't fight me.
Again, actually, this is her first time to this is my first time to teach her Tagalog language. So she really get confused. Okay, again. Gusto mabuhay ang Pilipinas.
Mama started getting confused.
Say, mabuhay ang Pilipinas.
Mugona banda.
Say, mabuhay
Mabuhay
ang
ang
Pilipinas.
Pilipinas.
Mabuhay ang Pilipinas.
Mabuhay Pilipinas.
Long live
Long live
the Philippines.
the Philippines.
So again, mabuhay
Mabuhay
ang Pilipinas.
ang Filipina.
Mabuhay ang Pilipinas. Mabuhay
Mabuhay
ang
ang
Pilipinas.
Filipina.
Yes. Pilipinas, not Filipina.
Filipina.
Pilipinas.
Pilipinas.
Okay, you tell me, what is this? Tell me, what is this?
Kili.
Yeah, she knows kili kili. And then, what else more you know?
Armpit.
Armpit, yes. So anyway, guys, that's all for today. I do want to teach her more. I will do it. I will teach her day by day, small Tagalog words every day. Otherwise, if I do it one time, her brain will get explode. She get confused actually. That's all for today, guys. I hope you have enjoyed our what is that? Tagalog. What is that? Tagalog lessons today. And I hope to see you to our next one. Bye!